Hey guys, so I'm back with Insta360 X5 and it comes in a very nice cushiony case. Unzip and this beautiful camera is back. So I've already spent several weeks playing with Insta360 X5 to really show you guys the real life review in so many different situations. And the conclusion is that I love Insta360 X5. And you're gonna see why. First, 8K 30 frames per second, 360-degree video is beautiful. Thanks to the dual 1/1.28-inch sensor, the video quality is brilliant. Let's compare that against X4, which was a great 360-degree camera, but the processor only had half-inch sensor. Both X5 and X4 are filmed at 8K resolution, but I prefer the color and clarity of X5 camera. Let me further enlarge the video, and I think X5 video quality has less noise. So this is a file of X5 inside Insta360 Studio. And look at the mountain, and there's a tower on top of it. And compare that against X4 video. I've enlarged it, and you can see that there are a lot more noise, and it's a bit more blurry in X4 video. X4, of course, still has beautiful quality, but X5 is better. In a more light, challenging situation, like in this forest, X5 being more vibrant helps in my opinion. What do you guys prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. More examples for you guys to pick out which you prefer. The powerful X5 camera shines at nighttime. Thanks to the new triple AI chip, X5 now enjoys the superior low light. I'm using pure video mode at 8K resolution. The color is gorgeous and 8K resolution allows me to zoom in and still capture beautiful color and sharpness even at the nighttime. With the new built-in wind guard, let's explore the sound quality. So with X5, I really do feel like it's one of the best vlogging cameras out there. Because it works so well during the nighttime. With 360 photo, you can get a lot more interesting shots, such as stick the camera inside, flower bed, or in this case, barley. So let me just put it down. Make sure the camera is seeing your face. And all I need to do is take a photo. But if you try with flowers, you get even better shots. Since X5 takes 72 megapixel photos, you can enlarge the photo and the quality is still great. Now let's quickly hear back on the internal microphone sound. To get such flower shot, you just need to put your X5 camera right into the flower bed like here. To get such flower shot, you just need to put your X5 camera right into the flower bed like here. To get such flower shot, you just need to put your X5 camera right into the flower bed like here. And yes, you have the flower bed surrounding your face. And if you're an action lover, you want to slow things down, you can enjoy 60 frames per second at 5.7K like what I have here. And at 5.7K, 60 frames per second, you enjoy active HDR. So you can definitely take it under against bright sunlight. So there is the sun behind me, but hopefully the active HDR, which is on, should work the trick. So in the menu, you can see video, pure video, and Insta360. With Insta360, you can simultaneously take flat video as well as the 360-degree video. So this is the menu, and you can press this button, and then this camera automatically goes around in 360 degrees. So this is the Insta view, so I don't need to edit anything. So right now it's the front view first, and then I just press 360 degrees, and it's going around in circle. And back to me, and also this spinning. Ooh. For action lovers, you guys must feel really excited about this feature. There is now the replacement lens for your Insta360 camera. Okay, I've actually had experience from the original X camera. So this is my 5th Insta360 X, the 360-degree camera. I've never broken a lens. So I'm actually confident about the quality. But for those of you who want to get really rough with 360-degree camera, then you can get this replacement lens kit, which is so easy to use. The replacement lens kit has everything that you need to replace the lens. Of course, the replacement lens. Use the tool to take off the ring that holds the protective lens on the camera. There are disposable gloves, lens cloth, and cleaning wipes. And there is a brush, a removal tool, and lens blower if you need it. All extremely simple to use. By the way, was I scared of shooting under the massive rainbow fountain? Nope, because X5 is now 50 meters waterproof. X4 was 10 meters, so now X5 is safer than ever. Here you can see you get gesture control, voice control, and also twist to control. So for twist and shoot, just need to twist the camera twice to start shooting. And it's starting to record right away, which is perfect if you want to do some action shots. Like me riding bicycle, but you can do it in skiing situation or trail running situation. Ciao! And don't forget to use all-time favorite gesture mode. All I need to do is give palm up. And it started recording, as you can probably hear. And you can give a peace sign for it to start shooting. Start shooting photo. I had to smile for the photo, and I've already set the 5-second timer. And let me take another photo. I can give a little bit of peace sign, and you can change the pose if you wish. X5 and X4. Let's compare the processing time. You can see the X5 is so much faster than X4. Let's test out the voice control. Start recording. You can tell that this is slightly faster reaction time. X5 is faster. And let me say, stop recording. You can tell X5 processing time is much faster. And there are more features, of course, the usual time lapse, time shift, and bullet time, don't forget that. Loop recording, the road mode, etc. So of course this camera is completely packed with a feature including the single lens mode. Don't forget that. It's super convenient if you prefer something, flat video rather than 360-degree video. So let me start recording myself with this single lens mode and make the conclusion of the videos. So I've had fantastic several weeks playing around with this beautiful new camera X5, which I'm of course using to film myself. And I'm impressed with the improved battery life, which can now last up to 185 minutes, so definitely a big improvement from X4. And with fast charging, it only takes 20 minutes to charge up the camera, which is really convenient when you're on the road. And now it does have the replacement lens option, so you can really go even more rough with your X5 camera. So if you guys want to pick up your new X5 camera, then don't forget to use the link down below. And I'll definitely come back with an exclusive tutorial on the app, Insta360 app, which now has a huge update. So don't forget to check out those videos in the future by subscribing to my channel. So see you!